Ever finished a RealPars course and thought, what should I learn next? We get this question all the time. That's why we created the RealPars course map. Here's how it works. Let's say you finished the Siemens PLC Basics course. Now, based on the course map, you can continue with the PLC Programming Made Easy Level 1 course if you want to keep learning PLC programming basics. If you want to learn Siemens Structure Control Language, you can go with this course instead. Whatever course you choose next, based on your learning objectives, all you need to do is click on the course title within these boxes, and it will take you directly to the course. Very easy. You can find the RealPars course map in two places: on your dashboard once you log in, and in the footer section of our website. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know which course to start with in the first place? For that, you can use the Course Finder. You'll find it right in your dashboard as well. So, if you haven't already, go to the dashboard, start with the Course Finder to find out which course you should begin with, and then use the course map to find your next course. Good luck!